وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters around the world. I hope you are doing great. Today inshallah I'm going to talk about the importance of sadaqah, and then inshallah I'm going to mention the story. This story will encourage us to do a lot of sadaqah. So before we start, please don't forget to drink your favorite drink. Welcome back. Before we start, let's just start by sending peace and salutation about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. So sadaqah in Islam, it's very important. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ma naqasa malin min sadaqah," which means your money will not be decreased because of sadaqah. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us, Allah said in Hadith Qudsi, "Ya abdi unfiq alayk," "O my servant, spend money for the sake of Allah, and Allah will spend the money back on you." And the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us in hadith, every morning there are two angels, all of them just make a dua for the person who spend the money for Allah, and they make a dua against the person who is stingy and didn't spend money for the sake of Allah. So the first angel said, Allahumma a'ti munfiqan khalafan, "Oh Allah," just the angel make a dua, "Oh Allah, the one who just spend the money to help people for the sake of you, give him more, khalafan, give him money instead of what he spent for the sake of Allah." So a lot of things, Islam all the time just encourage us to do sadaqah for people. The sadaqah Allah mentioned in the Quran, Surah At-Tawbah, and Allah said, "خُذْ مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ صَدَقَةً تُطَهِّرُهُم." Allah just ordered Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to take a part of our money. This part Prophet Muhammad will take for the poor people for the sake of Allah, will purify our money, purify our heart. That's because when just to get money or salary or increase our income, we didn't just focus in the right way or the halal way and do a lot of mistakes. So once you just make a sadaqah, Allah will purify your money, your heart. Okay, let's just mention our beautiful story. I love it so much. This story took about Egyptian man. This man just feel unwell and go to the doctor to check his health, and the doctor said, your health, your situation, it's very dangerous because your blood veins connect your heart are closed. So the situation, it's very difficult. You have to subject to operation right now, but we recommended you to travel to Europe. Technology, it's better now here in Egypt. So this man was rich man. So absolutely this man traveled immediately to Germany, and the German doctors, after examination, he got the same result, and the German doctors told him, your blood veins are completely closed, almost closed. So the man said, okay, no problem, I have to do it. But the doctor said, your situation, it's very dangerous. It's difficult for your health. So the man absolutely understand the situation after talking to the doctor. So he told the doctor, so please can you give me two days, only 2 days to travel or come back to my country, to Egypt, to say farewell to my friends and ask my family and all people dealt with me before to forgive me because maybe I just wronged anyone. Absolutely, he just come back to Egypt. And subhanallah, in Egypt there is something really strange happened. He found a woman just in a butchery shop. This woman tried to collect bones, okay, and take it. So this man looked at her and said, what are you doing? She said, oh, leave me alone, I'm just trying to collect these bones because I don't have money to buy meat for my daughters, and my daughters didn't eat meat for 2 years. La ilaha illallah. The man looked at this situation and feel bad about what happened. And the man said, stop doing this. The man looked at the woman and said stop doing that. This it's called rubbish. Just put in the يعني I just this ball in the rubbish. It's not appropriate for a human being to eat it. And then this man talked to Portia and said, listen, from now I just ask you every week, this woman will come to you and I ask you to give her meat enough for her and for her daughter for 1 year, and I will pay the money in advance for 1 year to be guaranteed to just give her. In this moment, really, this woman look at him and raise her hands and starting make a dua for this man, make a dua subhanallah in general, and said, oh, I ask Allah to give you a good health. Allahu Akbar. Here I want to say something. أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَى. So Allah mentioned that in the Quran. Who is the one just accept the dua from the person in the difficult situation, مضطر. So when the person will be in the difficult situation, he forgot everything, forgot all people, just remember Allah and make a dua. In this moment, because this person it's muttar, Allah will accept the dua in this moment. So this woman absolutely muttar. Once he just give her, pay the money advance for a year to make her eat meat for her, يعني eat meat for a year and for her donor. So this woman was very happy and started to raise her hands and make a dua for the man to ask Allah to give him health. In this moment, the man just say, no, it's normal. I am a rich man. You are a rich man, but Allah accepted the dua. What happened then? This man absolutely after the 2 days passed, go to the German again and go to the doctor. The doctor, as normal, before any operation or a surgery, the doctor will ask the person to check his health and subject to examination again. It's normal, but it's not normal to just when the doctor check this and said, tell me which hospital you did this surgery. He said, I didn't go to any hospital. And then, okay, tell me, what is the medicine, a strong medicine you used to fix your problem? Allahu Akbar. All your blood veins are open directly. The man remember the dua of the poor woman and said, yes, I take the medicine. This medicine, it's just I make a deal with Allah. I help it people and they spend the money and Allah give me shifa. Allah accept the dua for the women. Every time I listen to the story, every time I listen to this story, I feel I listen for the first time in my life. Inspire me, encourage me every time to just spend all money I have for the sake of Allah, to give me cure, to give me health, to give me money, to give me anything. So I think, guys, this story, it's very, very important for everyone to start searching and read about the importance of sadaqah and help people in need and spend the money to build the masjid. So I hope you enjoyed. So please, if you love this story, don't forget to give us like and share the story with people to encourage them to do a lot of sadaqah. May Allah accept that from us. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters around the world. I hope you are doing great. The month of Ramadan is around the corner. So if you want to get one step closer to Allah, you should start with Quran. All you should do is join us. We will teach you how to recite the Quran properly as Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and how to memorize the Quran easily, learn Arabic language, get more information about our Prophet and about religion Islam. So please don't hesitate, don't waste your time, and take advantage every single day to get closer to Allah. So join us.